My dad and I are setting out a campfire and our tent. And tonight, I am also trying something new, an onion. I can tell you my reaction after I've had it. I don't like it anymore. I still don't like it.
But you ate the whole thing.
I know. I was trying to prove how good I was of an actress.